We are gonna be hunting in Silver Ridge Peaks on one of the best spots I have. I'm gonna get up here. Oh, okay. There's a turkey. Let's see if we can let's see if there's a male in there. Okay, there is a male. Maybe two. Oh, attentive. You're already attentive. Are you attentive? Oh. There's a pronghorn. Oh. They might have they could smell me. Oh, okay, he's getting closer. Oh, wait, no. There's two of them. I don't know if they're closer. How close? They're 120 to 130. And it seems close. He's gobbling like crazy. Hopefully. Am I using the right ammo? Yes. You're over there. 100 to 150? 110 to 150? Okay. They're calm. That one female, she flew. She fleed. I don't know. Let me call again to see where he is. Oh, this. Where's that male? I thought that was him. Where are they? What? Oh. Where is that man? Okay, there's a taunt. Oh, shoot, he's alert. Yes. Can you come over here? Where is he? Attentive. I don't think you're goblin. I don't think he's gonna be diamond. I think he's gonna be silver. He is still calm. We're trying to get in within 40 yards. Okay, we have to crawl. Why are you attentive? Okay, you're calm. Okay, I'm like, why are you attentive? I might be able to shoot him down here. We're gonna mark him just in case I lose him. We just need him to stay there. Oh shoot, he's dead. Get the shot, yeah. Yes! Yes! He's dead! He's dead! I killed him. Took like 2 shots. Oh, he's a gold. He's combined. Is combined rare? I'm gonna have to see. So he was close. How long get this? Look at that. That's just beautiful. Finally killed one. That was very, very hard. Last video I got close, but not like this. No, I wasn't trying to. Oh. That's just... It used to be easy killing these. But now it's gotten harder. So they feed 14 to 17. Okay, I'm gonna come back out. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna come back out at like 15:30. I'm gonna come out 15:30. And hopefully we can kill another gobbler. Oh, there was turkey down there. I don't think there was a male in there anyway. Unless if he's up here. That is a big flock. And here's some bison. There's a 3. I think that was the same herd that I found my first level 4. but I did not get that on video because I was not a YouTuber. It was, unfortunately, it was gold. Good call. Yeah, we can. I might just do that. No, I don't think that's gonna work. I need it to be where I can see. Where I can see it, but the turkeys can't see me though. I need it like that. I wish I could place it right there. You think it can shoot 100 yards? That'll work. Oh no. That won't work. I'ma be back. Okay. Okay. They're down there. I'm gonna see if there is a gobbler in there. I don't want them to see me though. If I can make it there and I can see that'd be perfect. Might not be able to see them down here, but I know they're there. Or I could get away with just sitting in a bush and have them not see me. Yeah, have to get away with just sitting in a bush. And hope they do not see me. Oh, I don't know if the bush would be possible. Oh wait, there's a shed. Oh wait, I thought that was a shed. Imagine that's a shed. Okay. Oh, there's a deer. There's a deer down there. Oh shoot. Oh my god. have 2 turkeys on me. I have 2 turkeys on me. There's one up there. I have 2 turkeys on me. What do I do? I have 2 turkeys on me. Well, I can maybe get away with him. I'm just gonna shoot him. Oh my. I just want the male. Not him. Oh wait, shoot. He's traveling. No. I wonder if he's done eating though. What do I do? I have 2 turkeys on me. Let's see if I can start that rampage. Can you come down here then? If you're gonna gobble that much times. Oh shoot. I'm gonna see if you're down here. Can you come again? What do I do if I have a male and a female? A tom and a hen? What do I do? He's still up there. He's eating. I might be able to sneak. He is not traveling. He's eating. Oh, he might have a bug. I'm gonna take advantage of that. I'm gonna mark him where I last saw him. He's on that ridge. He's on that mountain. A ridge. This is crazy. Let's start walking. Okay, he's up there still. Please do not throw out a warning call. Oh shoot. Oh, it's calm. He's calm. Okay, let's go. This is gonna be the best turkey hunt of my life. If I kill him. I wish I brought a 22. Oh, if I brought a 22, that'd be extremely easy. Okay, where is that turkey? Okay, he's too far. He's too far. I'm gonna get down just in case. I'm gonna throw out another one. Oh, I know something's about to charge. Okay, are mountain lions aggressive? Okay, I think mountain lions are aggressive. Do y'all know if mountain lions are aggressive? Oh, he's up here. I'm gonna throw out another one. Got a warning. Oh, what? There's one down there. I'm going after the one up here. Oh! Okay, I think I made the wrong decision. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. No, he's fleeing! Can you just get away from me? Let's see if I can kill that one down there. I will be free to stand up. We have like $2 million. Okay, he's still down there. Okay, I'm right on top of him. Okay, let's see if I can get him to gobble. I forgot. I didn't bring the shotgun. He's down there. I already know. I'm right on top of him. Okay. Are you coming up here? I hope not. Okay. Okay, I was about to spot him. Did he flee? I don't know if he... Oh, there's a mountain lion. Where are you? I need to close in the numbers. Keep gobbling. Okay. No, no. Oh, okay, okay. Can you keep gobbling for me? It's not gobbling. I think they're all scared because the mountain lion. Okay, yeah, that's why he's nervous. Oh, no, he's probably not nervous because of that. He's probably nervous because he can maybe smell me. That's always a possibility. Okay, where was he? Oh. Okay, you scared me. Can I get you to gobble? He needs to pop out. If I had the shotgun, I would have killed him right there. Guys, I'm gonna have to end it there. Peace. Okay, bye.